while back I was in Fargo, North Dakota, and the guy up there told me to go to the original Shields and search for shotguns because I was looking for a home defense shotgun. And lo and behold, this fucking thing came up. The old Benelli M4. Now, normally I wouldn't have paid this much for a shotgun, but I got a hell of a deal on it because it is the neutered version and the EXTs had came out. So what I mean by neutered is this thing, the tube only holds 5 rounds because it's got these stupid little fucking crimps there, and it's got the fixed stock. Well, today I'm hoping to alleviate some of that with some of these parts I got from RX Arms. So before I open this, first thing we're going to do, unload the shotgun. 1, 2, I think this would probably be easier being right-handed. But I'm left-handed, so that digs into me a little bit. Seven shells. Because I had a ghost loaded. All right. Go ahead and lock that to the rear. Let's see what we got here. This is a UPS or USPS sensor. Weird. Benelli M4 mag extension, titanium Cerakote. Tape. Okay. See if it matches the M4, and it does. Not that it matters, because I'm going to fucking rattle can this thing anyways. Benelli M4 charging handle, titanium. And this piece is it'll go over the button. We'll go over it in a minute. Benelli M4 bolt release tab. That's awful nice. Benelli M4 magazine cap, titanium. Ordered this, so it gives me, I have no intention of putting this stupid little circlip thing back in. This gives me a little bit extra room for some roll crimp shells. Pretty light too, and it looks cool. That's all I got. $315. Mainly because it's all titanium shit. Well, bust this thing out. Don't have any instructions, really don't need any instructions. Let's get to it. By the way, the instructions, RX Arms did a video on these on YouTube. The links will be in the description. There's all that. Alright, let's see. Move this. Drop it on the ground. Hand guards come out. Door comes up. The existing cap is plastic. Let's compare this. I don't have my calipers on me, but you can already tell they're about the same length, but this one's less hollow. This one's more hollow. You get about a 1/4 inch more out of the titanium one as you do the stock one. Don't throw your stock parts away. So. Let's see what we're working with. This does nothing. It's just a placeholder. See? And it's got those dumbass little fucking ridges in it. And this one will just screw on. But first we got to remove this piece that has retained the spring. And we need tools. We need tools. Fuck. This fits, and this fits, so maybe...
Just need some leverage.
I just need some fucking leverage. No, actually, that did something. It did something. Got it. It struck me in the face, but I got it. Haha! So you can use two little things and supply. You can make it work. You can jerry-rig the shit out of this. Then this thing is what came out. It's just kind of... I don't know how the fuck it retains in there, honestly. Cool. Make sure we still have our follower. And we do. Good. Spoon seem kind of ambidextrously ended. You can drop this back in there. Look how much space we got now. We got so much fucking spring. Alright, screw this sumbitch in there. I feel like I should lubricate this first or something. Pretty sure it's stainless steel. But alright. Our extendo goes on, our spring goes in.
Don't worry, we've already got much to work too, so.
I vaguely read on the thing as I was reading.
I just think you were right behind me. I didn't know what was on the light. I was like, oh, it's Chapman.
When you were waiting for that like red light.
I'm just testing. I know I got the blue
I was
on.
just behind you. I thought about hitting the horn.
I was sitting there looking.
Oh yeah, it's nice. Okay. Now how's this gonna come on? Carefully.
I was tempted. I'm like, I don't want to make him go. Like,
Get hit.
yeah.
I don't want to work. That's fun.
So this is the last version.
Unless you want, well, technically yes, because the other one is portable. Yeah, the singles, yeah. So if you want a big funky bed, the only other available room is for the Aiken brothers. Christmas family don't own the master. You would just, then you're one step sooner, you would have been able to pick between two rooms, but. There's a bathroom right there.
Okay.
Two upstairs. You know,
So we made it to this point. We got our... Holy shit, I got stuff everywhere.
There's normal shower.
Got our guards. This guy right here, though, slides on.
It's
Right there. See?
video.
See? Just hooks on. Let's put our hand guards on.
How's the drive? Oh.
I'm not seated all the way down. We need to file a little bit off these hand guards.
And everybody just brings everything they move in.
Oh, I brought a bunch of eggs for somebody because I had 6 dozen. And she they're just
That's what breakfast takes for breakfast.
yeah. And I figured maybe we could just take them home if they don't want them.
Well, personally, my residents pay my part yet because they're staying in my week.
And strangle.
Break all that lots of eggs.
I brought you spring.
Huh.
Brought you some extra eggs.
Thanks, dude.
So you take it, you have to need. What's going on in here?
Well, I'm filming. Replacing some parts of my Benelli M4. Oh, and I just knocked it out.
Like a YouTube video?
Yeah, trying to do. I think it'll work. Okay.
That's full of each.
Sure I get the right cap, the titanium one.
So I don't pay for full basket. bending, but along there. But yeah. Well, I like how we're frying peppers. Yeah, so they can't. I was like, how I want hot flavors, like everything else. Yes.
So when do we get the tables, right?
What?
When do we get the table back?
Give me 5 minutes.
I missed the whole place. I was curious.
Here we go.
It was. I was like, I need 6 people to keep it.
Still punching in
Everything works.
the
Your little button pusher
Like I
thing.
said, there's a lot of things.
Nice.
That is fun here.
I feel like it moved on me a little bit. I'm not gonna be able to just that's a little bit more centered. Just an old AR-15 grip.
Usually, last year I was
Easy peasy. There's that. Okay. So we should be able to hold 9 rounds now. Go loaded.
I'm going to bed.
That's right, you guys are better. You know, that was things that you need. Well, no, you saw this. I have 0. Reliably working. You put a reliably.
Zero reliably. Sound is mine is 2.
Okay. So now we just need to replace our charging handle.
I just need a battery to turn on the sound.
We should be able to twist, pull, and then this one should just push in and twist in.
Yeah.
And now we get the charging handle.
Well, I put that in here. And then put it in.
Like the other one is a little thin. It dug in my hands. The old charging handle you can fit inside the new charging handle. So save all your parts. Separate the Benelli parts.
I set it down, or I swap batteries.
Let's load it up, see if we can get 9 in there. So when you load these, load what you want last first. Right now I want slugs last, then buckshot. We should be able to hold 2 more. Should be 9 instead of 7. So we'll load our slugs first, because they'll be last. 3 slugs, 2 double up buck.
So,
2 number 4 buck. That's 7.
Over.
Is this yours?
We thought it was the incoming fees. Like, they were all dangling, not
You're right.
But, Amazon they're all
Is that a edge?
9 shots. So now we've got 9 shots ghost loaded with a better charging handle, and we got a little bit extra room in here, so they're easier to load.
You're good.
So next video, we'll test it out at the range.
And then
You say you a gangster, but you never shot me.